The Inspector General of Prisons Anna Salai, Chennai invites sealed tenders for supply of timber items to the central prisons. Tender forms and schedule of the articles to be supplied can be obtained on or before 10th April 2000 from the Superintendent of the Central Prison concerned on payment of rupees 10 by money order or in person. Cost of tender form is not refundable. Tenders should be sent by registered post with acknowledgement due to the Inspector General of Prisons. Last date for the receipt of tenders is 16th April. The tenders received will be opened at 10 am on 17th April. No tender will be accepted in person on any account. Inspector General reserves the rights to accept or reject any tender without assigning any reason. Draft tender notice. 2. Applications are invited the Chennai Port Trust for the post of librarian in the scale of pay of rupees 4,000 to 7,000. Candidate should be graduate in arts or science with a degree or diploma in library science. He should possess 10 years experience in a reputed library. Upper age limit is 35 years, which may be relaxed by 3 years in case of candidates belonging to other backward class. Application should be sent within 15 days from the date of advertisement. Applications should be addressed to the Secretary Chennai Port Trust, Rajaji Salai, Chennai. Applications should contain particulars of the date, birth, community, qualifications, experience and residential address for communication. Candidates who are employed in government office should submit their applications through their present employer. Draft advertisement. 3. The 10th annual general meeting of the shareholders of the Tamil Nadu Small Industries Corporation Limited will be held in its registered office at number 4 Whites Road, Chennai on Monday, the 29th November 1976 at 10 am to transact the following business: to consider the audited balance sheet of the company as at 31st March 1976 and the profit and loss account for the period ended that date, to consider auditor's report, to consider the director's report, appointment of auditors. Draft notice of the meeting to be issued by the secretary of the company. 4. A water lorry dashed against a tree in Chepauk around noon yesterday. The driver had lost control. As a result, it knocked down two-wheelers which were parked nearby. Then it came to halt. The lorry as well as the motorbikes were badly damaged in the accidents. The lorry driver had to be taken out from the vehicle. He suffered some minor injuries. The tree had prevented the lorry from causing serious injuries to pedestrians and motorists. Traffic on the road was disrupted for some time. The police arrived on the scenes immediately. Investigation is proceeding. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.